In a world where the road is unpredictable, where every mile brings a new challenge, your car is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement. It's a part of who you are. But how do you protect this extension of yourself from the elements that seek to diminish its brilliance? The answer is clear as the solution we lay upon its skin. XPEL Paint Protection Film, PPF, a guardian that stands between your car and the world. Applying PPF to your car is not just an act of maintenance, it's an act of preservation. It's about ensuring that every journey, no matter how rough, leaves no scars, that every adventure adds to the story without taking away from the beauty. This is about more than just protection. It's about peace of mind, knowing that you're covered, that you can face the challenges of the road head-on without fear. It's about freedom, the freedom to explore, to express, to extend the limits of what's possible. The road ahead is full of uncertainties, but with PPF, your car's beauty and integrity aren't one of them. Embrace every mile, chase every horizon, and drive forward with confidence. Protect your passion. Shield your story. Drop your car at BC's signature and let nothing stand in the way of where you want to go.